Hello, I'm going to show you today on my Caketastic Cake video how to make snowflakes. And it's going to come up, unless you go out and buy the molds, these things can be a pain in the butt to make or to try to figure out, but I'm going to show you a cheaty way to do it. All you got to do, roll out your gum paste, your white gum paste nice and thin, and get one of your daisy molds, something that has 12 petals on it, like the one I'm using here. Just take the mold, press out your flower like you normally would, and instead of leaving all those petals, I'm going to pull off every other one. So we end up with 6 petals per flower. And since snowflakes have 6 points on them, boom, it's perfect. Once you get them cut out, you can leave them like this, cut them up, decorate them however you want, roll them out, press them out. All I'm doing here is using my pointer tool to press down 4 times on each side of each petal. It kind of gives it more of a frosted look. And again, you could leave them whole, you could press them out. When I pulled the petals off, I made it looking rough in the center, so it kind of gives it more of a frosty look. To give them a little more interest, I'm cutting the centers out using a straw that I stole. You can find tools and ways to do things anywhere. So if you just get a little creative with your flowers, you can make snowflakes without any trouble. So there's a nice, simple little hack for you guys out there, okay? If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will find you guys again next time. Bye!